everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be a Meesho haul and it's going to be a western wear haul. I've seen your comments and you guys wanted to see a western wear haul from Meesho, so here we are. So I ordered a bunch of dresses and everything is under 400-500 and I think one of them is 600. So now let's begin. So as you guys know, Meesho is actually a reselling app, so I won't be adding any links. I'll be giving the product codes in the description box. You can just go to Meesho app and search for the product code and you'll be able to find whatever I'm showing you guys in the video. So it's actually a reselling app, which means you can actually use this to like WhatsApp these pictures or like put it out on your Facebook page if you're a reseller and actually find your customers and sell them. You can add your commission, that additional pricing, and you can give the total pricing after including your commission, so that will be your earnings. But if you are basically going to purchase them just like me, then you can just add the same amount, so you'll have to pay the zero commission and you can just purchase them. So yeah, now let's begin with what I got. So this is the first one and actually one of my favorites, and I think this will remind you of some design because I've seen the exact same dress on so many Instagram pages. It's actually a plain white. It's not off-white, it's actually white, and it has a little bit of embroidery here, and then it has like box pleats below the waist, and it's a long dress. I think it's a little above the ankles, and for the pockets, the two pockets here, and even for the pockets it has the same embroidery. So it's a little bit of like flowers and leaves. For the price, I think this is amazing. The quality is actually pretty good. So sometimes Meesho is actually a little, you can't really guess. Sometimes the quality is good, sometimes some of the pieces turn out to be a little of lower quality, so you'll have to really check and purchase to see reviews and all that. So in the reviews you'll be able to see some of the pictures that customers post or videos that customers or resellers post, so based on that you can make a decision. So this actually is a very good quality. It's pretty much on par with what you usually get from Myntra or Ajio and all that, so I really like this one. It's a little transparent, so basically this is what the cloth is. So yeah, like it's a little see-through, so you might have to wear like a slip or basically nude skirt slip or something like that. So yeah, but otherwise I think this is great. This one is just for 486 rupees and it looks pretty much like the picture, but the picture actually this part of the work is actually a little bit more neater and it looks like the rosebud embroidery. I'm sure they've taken the picture from elsewhere, but the dress otherwise looks pretty much the same. So you can wear it as an Indian, you can wear like some silver jhumkas or something and wear it like an Indian kurta, or you can even wear it like dupatta and all that, so you can wear it like an Indian kurta, or you can even wear it as a western wear just as a dress and then belt it up and all that. It would look great for like brunches, or if you're traveling it would look really nice. And this is in the size 3XL, so generally I wear double XL. This one's a little bit of a loose fit, but it's not very loose, so yeah, you can check your measurements and get it. On Myntra usually I get double XL in most brands, but yeah, this one's great. I would definitely recommend it, and I don't think they had colors, but if there are colors you can check out the other colors as well, because this is not off-white, this is like proper white. So this is also a dress and this has polka dots all over it. So it has like these 3 layers of like ruffles on the top at the neck, and then it has like really bigger polka dots all over. It has like an umbrella cut, it has a like really nice flare, and the chest area, like from here it has this partition, so it actually gives a very nice look, a flowy look. So if you're looking for something which will make you look a little bit leaner, this is great, because it's firstly black, and also because of the cut it actually looks like it flows with your body, so that's pretty good. You'll see in the try on part on how it looks, so I thought it was pretty good, except the quality of the fabric and all is pretty decent as well, but I think it could have been better, but again, given the price, it's great. So I don't love the design of this, but if you like polka dots and this sort of pattern, then this is definitely great. So this one is 531 rupees, and I think that's actually pretty good, and I think I ordered this also in 3XL. You can totally go with 2XL if you wear generally 2XL generally, because the fit is actually pretty good. Is the measurements can vary, even though sometimes the dress says XL or double XL, you'll still have to check the measurements to make sure. And also do have a look at pictures if you're ordering something else. They do have a look at pictures and reviews before you order. So yeah, this one also has to be a hit for me. Next up we have something like a kurta dress, and I really wanted to get the indigo, but I think it was out of my size. So I got this, and I ended up getting like a really big size, but then it's quite flowy. So this is out of the kind of dresses that I usually wear to work also, or like even like general kurtas. So again, this is something that I would expect from like Myntra or something. So the quality is pretty good. The fabric is not super thick or anything, but it is soft and it's nice. So it is pretty much the basic kurta that you would expect for like everyday use or like for casual use and all that. So it has like a cut. The buttons end a little above the knees, I think. So the cut is actually pretty long. So you can wear this like with palazzos, or you can even wear it with like crop pants or something. I think it look really nice if you wear like off-white crop pants with this. I think I have one pair from Biba, but I've also seen some on Mira Plussize. I'll try to link them in the description box. They have really good soft fabric, and they have different sizes. They carry a lot of curvy girl and plus size sizes as well, so you can check out that. So yeah, this one also I would give it a big go, because the fabric is really soft and the fit is great. Like it is very flary. If you're looking for something comfortable, you can get like some sizes up. So even the hands have this cute detailing. It has this tie-up knot, like you can tie it up like this, and yeah, I think that's also cute. And I do think they have different colors, so you can check out different colors. This one is like sort of green, manly green. I definitely wanted to get the indigo, so yeah, you can check out other sizes as well. So this one also has to be a hit for me. So this one is actually supposed to be a cape, so you can just remove the buttons and wear it as a cape as well. So this one is 446 rupees. So I think even that's oh, and there was actually a discount. Oh, so this one is actually 396 rupees, and that's actually pretty great, because if you're looking at something like this on Myntra, even during sale, I don't think it'll be below like 600. So I think that's a pretty good price, and the fabric is really soft, and you can actually wear it for like work wear or casual use as well. Now last one is this pink dress. This one I had like high expectations on this, because it looked so cute in the picture, and I have to say it looks exactly the same as the picture, but the quality of this one is not satisfactory. This one is actually 600, and the stitch and everything is also really good. Like the fit and flare and everything is good. Like it is a little bit tight on me, but if you get like the right size, then I think it's actually pretty cool. The lining, I just don't like the fabric at all. Like it is the cheapest of cheap quality. The lining, I mean, it's gonna rip apart like if you don't wash it carefully. And the quality of this one is also pretty basic. I think for 600 you can get like a better quality. Like if you buy it on sale, or even if you buy it in your street shopping, then I think you should be able to get a better fabric. But overall design and all is still cute. Like it has floral print, and it has this like two layered ruffle on the sleeves, which I thought was really cute, which is basically why I ordered it. But nevertheless, I think it is still cute and very much wearable, and you know, looks really cute when you head out for like coffee or like breakfast. So I think it looks really cute, but I wish the fabric and the quality could have been better, especially with the lining. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this. Those were the 4 dresses that I got from Meesho this time. I hope this video was useful. A lot of you guys wanted to see like a dresses haul and western wear haul from Meesho, so I hope this was fun. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to try out anything else from Meesho, or if you'd like me to do any other hauls. Also do let me know in the comments below, and also tell me which one's your favorite. I think the white one has to be the best, because it's pretty affordable and actually it looks really pretty. Although I do wish the color of the embroidery was slightly different. There's always something else that you want, right? Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I'll be putting out 2 videos from now onwards. Every week you'll be seeing 2 videos, one on Monday and probably the second one on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, do come back and make sure that you're subscribed, and also find me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here, and I will see you guys in the next video. You can also check out my previous videos here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.